here's my front door. And we're going to go down to the elevator and go outside and see what the snow has done to the building. There's the girls. Come on, Nala. Nala always has to walk behind me. Here's the elevator. There they are. Somebody left something on the floor. Yay. We get on the elevator and they turn in circles because they're excited to go someplace. And here's the ground floor. And there's the mailboxes. And here's the back door. Now, early this morning, this was all covered. This right here is about the level of my chest. And this over here is about waist high. I brought the dogs out and tried to get them to go potty, and they wouldn't go in that stuff. But now they've cleared the sidewalk. There's the trees all bent down from the weight of the snow. That looks like it has an angel on top or something. This is the pathway that goes this way. There's a sidewalk on the right and then cars. And this way there's a sidewalk on the left and cars. That mountain in the middle is a car. That's out into the parking lot. This big thing sticking up in the air right here is the front end of a car. Somehow the wind blew it in that shape, and it's top of my head high. Isn't that fascinating? And that right there, you can see the back wheel. That's my car. I didn't stop and get a shovel because it didn't even occur to me that my car would be buried. This is the rear of the property. You can see that brown building in the back that was in the picture from outside my balcony. And the guys are out trying to clear the main roads in the complex so that if anybody digs their car out, at least they can get in it. Nala. Now, you might know that they hate the snow, particularly Nala, because her little pencil legs immediately freeze in any amount of snow. Where are you going? Come on. Go on. They really don't mind the cold, especially when they have their jackets on. But it's the feet and the legs. Now that's thrown up high from clearing this area. Not all of it is that high. It's just little dune-looking things like where the wind blew it, like this one. This tree usually stands straight up. I like this tree. No leaves on it, so it doesn't bend quite as much. We'll go around and take a look at the front, see what it looks like out there. Okay, here we are back in the main floor elevator lobby. And we're heading out the front door of this building that goes over to the office house, the clubhouse they call it. Those trees right there are in the middle of the circle, and the snow around it is what they've piled up to make the circle street drivable. There's the main building. Looks like a mansion, maybe in the mountains of Vermont or something. That's my building. And that's the building in the picture that's across the driveway from my building.